Hi guys. Before I start this video, I am touring my mansion today, and I just wanted to give a few words before I started that. I just wanted to let you know I will not be doing a video till after the next two videos. They will be doing the next one or two videos. I cannot tell yet, because that is in the future. Zay has some really big content he wants to show you. I think he will be giving a house tour soon of his new mansion. I am not 100% sure. I just wanted to say we have a new Twitter account now that is starting up, and you guys should go check that out. And we really want to entertain you, so this will become one of your best entertaining YouTube channels you watch to have fun. And with that, I will go on to the tour. I hope you enjoy, and see you next time. Okay guys, well I guess that's the end of this video. Sorry Zay could not make it in this video. He had some family member issues that came up all of a sudden, so he was not in this video. And again, I will repeat, he'll be doing the next 2 videos, or 1, because I will be taking break off videos, even though I barely even post. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you all next time. Peace out.